Hello again. In last video I showed how to install 9-inch Android navigation in Honda CR-V second generation. Now we finish with installation. Steering wheel controls work, switching stations, mode, illumination of the buttons work. You have option to change the color of illumination. I'll make it to be something like original color. In the Climatronic is amber or orange. Or we can make it red. Maybe red looks interesting. Okay. We also installed a rear parking camera from the Complect. It's not with wide angle, but you can see when you need to stop. Okay, octa-core, Android 12. Let's test the radio. There is a problem maybe with the antenna. We need to check it. What happens? Also you have Google Maps installed, YouTube, some video player for movies. Now you have videos in the internal storage. Okay, perfect. Thanks for watching. If you want Android navigation for your car or some audio upgrades, you can contact us. See you in next video.